Today's $5 feature patterns have everything that you need for back to school with handmade style. This video is all about those $5 patterns, as well as lots of inspiration and motivation for sewing that back to school wardrobe. The Cartwheel Collection is everything you need to get started for back to school sewing. This collection contains 6 separate patterns meant for knit fabrics. There's a shirt with a peekaboo back, a dress with a peekaboo back as well, shorts, capris, even a tunic and a skirt. The shirt, tunic, and dress have this adorable, sweet peekaboo back, and it's just the right amount of fun, and you can customize it to whatever size opening that you like. There's also a double layer circle skirt that has a little pickup detail that you can opt into to add even more fun, as well as the ability to attach shorts or capris, just for a little bit of extra coverage when they're playing on the playground or riding their bike. Or you can just wear the shorts and the capris with the tunic. So many possibilities. There's lots of mixing and matching the patterns, and it'll fill your kiddo's closet. 6 patterns in one. The Vanguard Kit is also $5 today only, and it is a must-have complete set for any young adventurer. The kit contains a pair of cargo joggers that you can make out of either woven bottom weight or medium to heavyweight stable knit. They have front slash pockets, diagonal side cargo pockets, a faux fly, and articulated knees, as well as elastic cuffs, as well as a comfortable waistband. Also included is a versatile tee that can be color blocked in multiple ways. And you can also add in color blocking in the sleeves, as well as a hood. You can use a crew neck or a V-neck, and this shirt and set is perfect for all sorts of color blocking, as well as using up your scrap. Love Notions has so many patterns that are perfect for all kids and even adults for back to school time. Check out our blog post with our top 10 favorite back to school patterns. If you're looking for some more motivation to get you sewing that handmade back to school wardrobe, check out our Sew Back to School Sewing Challenge hosted by Angerie of House of Lily through Love Notions. During this challenge, she's going to post daily prompts where you can share your back to school makes. You'll be able to get prizes, including patterns and fabric, and you can connect with the sewing community. You can also use this as a time to get some motivation to sew. You can even use previously made back to school makes, but you can also start sewing anytime. The challenge officially starts on August 20th, and during that time, post your makes with the hashtag #SewBackToSchool, as well as tagging Love Notion. Angerie will be back with many more details, including information about our prizes and other ways to participate, but we wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up and some time to start your back to school sewing. So those are some of our best back to school sewing patterns. And I hope that this video has given you some support and encouragement and some extra motivation with that upcoming challenge to sew your kiddo a back to school wardrobe that they will love. Happy sewing.